Hey guys, what's going on? So I did a thing with my Zyudenchi, well, just this one, a couple hours ago. I kind of modified them in a way. I didn't want to do it because it's a Japanese toy. It's a Super Sentai toy. These things are expensive, even if they're used. I mean, they're precious. I didn't modify the Galvolver anyway. But as you can see here, here's Gabatira, which I have colored black. Same thing back here. And you might notice that one of his pins is missing on the back. That's because that is Parasagan's pin system that I have created. And on the front, there's 3 pins missing. Originally, I was gonna let these 2 pins sit because that activates Stegochi sound effect right there. But then I changed it to make it my sound effect, which is Dino Chaser. And yes, it does work in the Galvolver. It can read. Yes, it can read it, and it is on with Cimero. Since she only has 1 pin, like what the hell else am I gonna do? Like she only has 1 pin. I think she's probably one of the more simple Zyudenchi. She's one of the more annoying. So anyway, Brave N. So as you can see there, nothing. I didn't change this because I do not want to unscrew this. Even if I had a screwdriver to actually work with this, I would not unscrew it. We're gonna try this side. Oh, we're gonna try this side first. And I will get Parasagan. I'm sorry if I hold this down a lot. I'm very sorry. But yeah, you get Parasagan, and this is a Zyudenchi that you can morph with, unlike with this, which I don't get what's with the Samba music, transformation music with this. Anyway, Zyudenchi. Fire! And you just transform into Security Black. For those who saw my Gabaval review, knows that, of course, I did not modify any of my Zyudenchi in any way yet. But, of course, now, since I'm very bored, and I'm not going to probably get any Zyudenchi anytime soon, yes, no, I will not be. I had to modify them. I was getting very tempted to do it, and I did. She's probably the only one I have not yet modified, because there's only 1 pin. If there was, at least 3, then, of course, definitely I will modify the pin system. I never really modified the Zyudenchi, but let's get its attack sound. Alright, and now this side, I will get Dino Chaser, which is my battery sound. Yeah, no Samba music, which kind of sucks, but pull the trigger and we'll summon the bike. And you get that. So you get that. Now we're going to do a combination, or fight. A combination of the Zyudenchi, put technically Parasagan since this is pin system, and Stimero. And of course you can do Armed On. What the heck? Oh. Okay, so got that. And you can of course switch them around. Alright, sorry if my camera's in a weird position, by the way. So yeah, sorry if my camera's in a weird position because that was the only way I could actually get it in, especially with the way this is set up. Now we'll do it the other way, where we have a Zyudenchi in the top. And of course, and when you do it just the top, by the way, these Zyudenchi, they don't, the special Zyudenchi, like Dino Chaser, Dino Scrander, and Kento Spiker, you can't, it's just like the regular Zyudenchi, if you just put it in the top slot by itself, it won't do anything. But, if you put one in the bottom, it's going to do Brigigas, isn't it? By the way, while I was modifying this Zyudenchi for the front, I actually got Brigigas' sound effect because his pin system is 1 pin, 2nd pin, and 3rd pin. I might be able to get it in a second. So I got Snare on Brigigas. I got the sound effect earlier, and I even got his sound effect by his own. On his own. So yeah, you got that. And that's basically all I wanted to do, is just show you guys the new thing I got, you know, Parasagan. If I get another Parasagan, hang on. I can get it. If I get another Parasagan Zyudenchi one day, I will actually be able to do a proper armed on, because I actually glitched the gun when this was still was Gabatira. I actually glitched it to make it say Gabatira. I put literally 3 pencils in there, and I glitched it to say Gabatira, and then I put this one in there, and I got Gabatira plus Gabatira. So yeah, that's my first actual armed on real one. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share it with friends. Go today. This might be the last time I actually do something like as a review with the Gal Revolver. I don't know, but with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.